As per the specialized examination of Axie limitlessness costs expected in 2023, the base cost of Axie will be around $7.55. The greatest value that the Axie can reach is $18.34. Based on our Axie boundlessness cost expectation 2025, the cost of Axie tokens is anticipated to rise and reach $29.48 toward the finish of 2025. Axie coin cost expectation 2030. Axie endlessness cost for 2030, as per our gauge, will be in a reach between $65.75 to $94.65, and the typical cost of Axie may be around $80.20. Digital currencies have continuously saturated the standard cognizance and built up forward momentum. Nonetheless, a significant number of them neglect to endure for the long haul and will keep on doing as such, gave it C's mass reception at the point when a progressive resource stepped in. This was conceivable, zeroing in on what the majority try for the sake of entertainment. About Axie boundlessness universe play to acquire games have become incredibly famous throughout the course of recent years. Axie limitlessness is one of the most amazing P2E gaming universes rotating around Pokemon-esque animals known as Axies. It empowers players to gather and mint NFTs. To play Axie limitlessness, players need to have the stage's local digital currency, Axie vastness shards. Axie was sent off in Nov 2020, and players can purchase, exchange, and acquire Axie tokens by playing the game. What is Axie vastness? Being established by Sky Mavis on the advantages of the gaming, crypto, and blockchain industry, Axie vastness is based on Ethereum organization. There are boundless approaches to procuring Axie. Yet being a piece of state-of-the-art innovation, blockchain remunerating players for commitment, is completely unbelievable in the realm of Axie endlessness. Axie boundlessness environment is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Axie is a token utilized in a blockchain-based game where clients can gather and fabricate utilizing cryptographic money. Players can acquire the Axie crypto by playing the game, and the tokens can then be exchanged on some crypto trades. Beast Fight NFT games have acquired gigantic prominence around the world. Consequently, this might help the general development of the Axie biological system in ETH, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. From one viewpoint, the Axie universe represents a gaming and diversion period. On the other, it mirrors a social obligation esteem wherein it sets out business open doors for the general population and constructs a mood of a solid local area cutting the guide to a supportable stage. Clients can possess the local Axie endlessness of the Axie commercial center, gather them, and use them across an always extending universe of games. Conceptualizing the Axie boundlessness convention has carried another reality to the spotlight. The benefits of blockchain go past lines and the constraints of simply the money area. Intended to address different bottlenecks in finance, Axie endlessness is set to make lives more engaged and speedy. In a special manner, the Axie limitlessness convention has likewise added to destroying the difficulties of blockchain being information openness. They additionally came in bundles, be it excess expenses, speed, or pretend of agents. Axie's altogether centers around offering clients the advantage of productive information move that would make their gaming and exchanges quick and faultless, in this way supporting its worldview job in the advanced ecospace. Axie limitlessness specialized examination. With a market cap of $971,405,525 and an exchanging volume of $57,202,048, Axie limitlessness ongoing cost activity mirrors a good recuperation. The Axie limitlessness cost weights around $8.38, with an unequaled high and low of $165.37 and 12 cents. Separately, in the crypto market, Axie vastness has an ongoing flowing inventory of 115,612,959 Axie, and the organizers behind Axie boundlessness are profoundly hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Axie endlessness has a ton of bows to see for its fans according to their specialized examination. As per specialized examination, Axie tokens have been exchanging very negatively. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town, the token remedied hugely and arrived at a solitary digit esteem. Nonetheless, the future cost of Axie boundlessness is supposed to recuperate gradually and consistently. Is Axie endlessness still the best coin to purchase in 2023? Axie vastness universe offers many advantages. Yet the year 2022 was not awesome for the digital currency market. The market was very unpredictable, and the gamble to rewards proportion was likewise troublesome. Axie holders might add more tokens to average their possessions. Yet for new financial backers, it is a dangerous opportunity to enter the market. Nonetheless, since the cost is supposed to rise, merchants who can bear the cost of the great gamble might enter the market and put their cash into these Axie endlessness shards. Unpredictability is the greatest survivor of the crypto market. It settles on speculation choices and forecasts the most difficult. Nonetheless, our fair crypto figure will make this cycle simpler for you. Will the Axie vastness cost go up? Peruse our Axie vastness value forecast to know the fate of the Axie token. As per Wallet Financial Backers' Axie cost expectation, it is a terrible long-haul venture as the cost in the following year might drop to 57 cents. Though, as per our Axie vastness conjecture, the Axie cost could start an upswing and cross $29.48 toward the finish of 2025, making it a wise venture. Axie limitlessness has a promising future. It is anticipated that the cost of Axie limitlessness might skyrocket to $170.10, making it a wise speculation by 2027. While the Value Expectations Investigation recommends that the cost of Axie boundlessness might reach $166.98 by 2030. Axie Vastness Value Forecast 2023. Our Axie Limitlessness Cost Expectation recommends that the symbolics cost could record a respectable recuperation. Toward the finish of 2023, the Axie Vastness cost is estimated to have a greatest worth of $18.34, while the typical cost might be around $12.94. Simultaneously, the base worth might be around $7.55. Axie Vastness Coin Value Expectation 2024. According to our Axie Limitlessness Cost Expectation, the Axie coin will proceed the upturn as long as possible, and its most extreme worth might reach $22.60. While the base cost might be $15.70. Simultaneously, the Axie token could have a typical cost of around $19.15. It is normal that the Axie financial backers might acquire respectable benefits in the year. Axie Boundlessness Value Forecast 2025. Axie Vastness in the year 2025 may have a typical exchanging cost of $24.98, while the base and greatest Axie Boundlessness cost may be $20.48 and $29.48. Separately, in light of our Axie Endlessness Coin Cost Expectation 2025, Axie Value Expectation 2026. According to the Axie Boundlessness conjecture, the Axie coins could arrive at the greatest worth of $37.34, with a base cost of $25.94. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be around $31.64. In view of our cost expectations, the Axie Vastness coin's cost ascend for the year may be immense. Axie Vastness Crypto Value Forecast 2027. In view of the specialized examination and Axie Boundlessness expectation, the digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $40.96, while the base and most extreme costs of Axie are expected to be $33.58 and $48.34. Axie Coin Value Forecast 2028. As indicated by our Axie Boundlessness expectation, the most extreme worth is expected to be $59.02, while the potential low might be around $41. The change is supposed to be moderate, and the typical exchanging cost might be around $50.01 all year long. Axie Boundlessness Coin Forecast 2029. When it is 2029, the expected high of the coin might have reached $75.65, according to our Axie Vastness Crypto Cost